Let's take a look at how we can use the Consumer Price Index to measure inflation. First, let's define inflation. Inflation is a continuous increase in a price index for goods and services in an economy. It is usually measured by using the Consumer Price Index, CPI. CPI reports price changes in a number of different categories, including the cost of products, the cost of services, and the prices of goods. It is the most commonly used statistic to measure inflation. Here is how CPI is calculated. A representative governing body collects the prices of a fixed set of goods and services that represent what is being purchased by the average family of four over a certain period of time. This set of items is commonly referred to as a basket. For example, the governing body chooses a number of things consumers are buying over a period of time, let's say a year. They then add up the prices of the items, and that is the value of the basket for that year. Let's use 50. Then they repeat this process for the same basket of items the next year. Let's use 55. And compare year X to year Y. Here we have a percent change of 10%. If the percent change from year 1 to year 2 is positive, there is inflation. If the percent change from year 1 to year 2 is negative, there is deflation, meaning the average price of items is decreasing. If the percent change from year 1 to year 2 is positive but did not increase as much as the prior year's comparison, there is disinflation, meaning the average price of items did increase but not as much as it increased in the previous year. Now, let's look at a step-by-step process of calculating inflation. The governing body collects the prices of common goods and services consumed by an average household. These items are separated into categories. The categories are weighted to reflect their importance to the household. The prices of the items are tracked and recorded on a monthly basis. These prices are used to calculate the value of the basket. The values of the basket are used to determine the CPI.